Yellow, Scott.
Get the stamp, my friend. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, it didn't work here. That's right. Wear that with pride, my friend. Wear that with pride.
Yeah, we gotta go eat and walk around the fucking mall now.
That's right. Well, you wear that in pride, dude. You got your A license.
Fuck yeah.
Jordan got his A license today. Him, fuck him. Very good. Yes. Dixie, you love the another one. Yeah. Yeah. Congratulations, bro.
How am I gonna send this thing got pie all over it?
Oh, they'll understand.
I got pie like 6 feet deep.
Woo!
I'm part of it.
Ace all over my face of pie.
Actually, we're kind of
Let's see it, Jordan.
Melting away.
How do you feel now that you've officially been pied?
My eyes burn like a motherfucker.
my water.